So when I paid off my debt in 2020, the stress relief for me was amazing. Watch to the end of the video and I'll show you how I did that. People are struggling just to face the debt that they've acquired, like high interest rates. Every month is just taking their money away from them, making it difficult to make ends meet from paycheck to paycheck. I encourage you to leave a comment on your own debt payoff journeys if you've done so we can support each other as we travel down this road. The first step of relieving the stress and of not having enough money every month is to create a monthly budget so you can see where your money's going, and then to figure out how to attack it. I'll give you some tips for budgeting and actually walk through a budget example step by step. You will find within the first month or two that you'll actually have more money left over each month, and you can put it against that debt if you have debt, or you can put it into savings or retirement like I did. If I can pay off over $90,000 in about 18 months, you can also. Okay, to start this, the first thing we need to do is we need to gather some information like our income, paycheck, whether you get a regular monthly check or a pension, spousal support, side hustle, extra cash, anything you typically get for a regular full month. We need to grab that information. And then we need to grab our utilities, such as our rent, or maybe you have a mortgage payment, electricity, car payments, and gather all that information. The easiest way to do that is to, if you have a banking account or bank statement where you can see while you're spending for the month, grab a full month's worth and write down each bill that you pay every single month and the amount or the average amount that you expect to pay monthly, the last month's full bank statement, and then go through there. And you're also going to want to include things like your food. How much did you spend for food? Anything that you spent that month. We need that information so we can write it down. And there's a couple ways we can write that down. We can do a spreadsheet if you're good on computers, like an Excel spreadsheet or something like this here, and add the expenses here, income at the top, and then your expenses down below, and add all that up. And then you can even do it on a notebook paper. I used to do it like that all the time because then you can scribble it out and change it as easy as also. But the spreadsheet or a little template that you can get tends to work better because then you can just copy and paste it for the next month. But you can do that with paper too. Once you know your regular bills, you're just going to write those out, and they're going to look almost the same every month going forward. This will show you where your money's going. Every month you'll be able to tell if you're spending too much at restaurants or going out to eat, that sort of thing. And then you can take the following month and put down an amount that you are going to spend or stay under. You can trim those expenses back. And it'll give you some insight of where you're spending your money. And then when you go to spend that money, you can, dial back that habit and start saving some of that money. Say you go out, for me example, say I go out to eat too often and I'm spending, way too much money every month. Well, if I cut that in half, then I can take that money and put it somewhere else towards paying off a bill or a credit card or pay off that car, or save that money for retirement. That's the key to budget. And you can look back on your months, then you can trim back. And then every month when you finish, grab your bank statement and compare it and see if you're making progress. If you're not, you need to really sit down and maybe, cut up the credit cards, maybe sell your car if you have 2 cars and you only need 1. Maybe sell the car to get out of the car payment. There's other ideas, and you can leave a comment below, or you can reach out to me, and I'd be more than happy to help you with some of them ideas because I've gone through this and I want to help you, and that's the main goal of this video. So I hope this is helpful. Again, comment. I want you to have the stress-free life that I do, and thanks for watching.